Announcing the elevation of their bilateral relationship to a strategic partnership, India and Cyprus are now looking to open a new chapter in two-way ties. The announcement came after talks between PM Modi and visiting Cypriot President Nikos Christodoulos in New Delhi. According to the senior Cypriot official, the two sides are looking to boost bilateral investment, including Indian investment in Cyprus in sectors ranging from defense to tourism. Briefing media in New Delhi after the event, Secretary West in Ministry of External Affairs, C.B. George, said counterterrorism was a very important area of discussion during the bilateral meeting held between the two leaders in New Delhi, and both leaders categorically condemned terrorism. He said Cyprus expressed solidarity and its unwavering support to India in its fight against border terrorism. The two sides signed 6 agreements to provide for deeper cooperation in areas of innovation, technology, education and cultural, besides agreeing to soon conduct a comprehensive partnership on migration and mobility. The pact firmed up include one on establishing a joint working group on counterterrorism. Bureau Report News Now.